Hello. It's some time since last. I have struggled with getting information from the the shop where I bought this camper and from the factory about the construction, because when I installed that wood stove, I noticed that the insulation in the camper is not thick enough. They promised 2 centimeters of polyurethane, and at that place where the hole is, it was half a centimeter or mostly 1 centimeter. And now I'm trying to figure out how can I add polyurethane in the camper, because half a centimeter is certainly not enough in Finland. Well, of course, now we have Easter, so people are not working. It was some other holiday in Turkey, so I didn't get answers, and there was Christmas, so I got this camper a little bit later than I thought. So actually I thought that I would have done all this interior and the techniques now, or actually for a month ago, but now it's still kind of not done. Something I have done, but what I have to do is probably to drill holes in here in the plywood, and the distance according to AI was I just once asked, and I have to precise it, but I think 7 centimeters between the holes. Then I fill up in one hole and see that the polyurethane goes to the next one. And it's a lot of holes, because here is 12 quadrat meters of walls and roof and things like that, and so it will be thousands of holes that I have to drill. Well, now I'm still also, the problem is that there will get air inside the wall and it will cool down, and then there will be water will come out of the air, and it goes somewhere and probably find some wood that will start some microorganisms to grow, and so there will be problem with rotten wood if I don't do something. Yeah, of course, it's very challenging to have a camper in the northern part of Europe, and so it's understandable that there is something to do. And one thing that I also noticed, that even if it's probably there, you can see the feet that you can use when you take off the campers. They are attached to the camper using that kind of steel construction. The bolts, they are probably stainless steel. I'm not totally sure about it, but anyway, it's not enough. Even if stainless steel doesn't conduct heat so easy, or cold so easy, how you like to put it. So you will have water condense on that construction and have water in the camper. And my solution is to put some polyurethane foam on it, and Well, that doesn't look so nice, no, but that's because I used the leftover in a bottle that my friend had, so I got it for free. And this is these bottles that you have to empty at once because you can save them. And so I was kind of in a hurry. They are also not so easy to put just the right amount you like to do. What I will do is to use this kind of equipment. Here you can save the polyurethane, you don't have to use everything at once, and you can put smaller amounts. And this is also what I'm going to use when I'm filling up the walls. But it's a good idea to use away this normal polyurethane foam, because I'm not sure if I can take the bottle away from the tool without it drying. And the polyurethane that I will put in the walls is polyurethane that will not what is it, grow up so much, I mean expand. And that is because it's very hard to put polyurethane in a space between inside the wall. If you put too much, it will expand too much and the wall will not be straight. It will be kind of a bubble or something like that. And that's of course not what I want to do. So I will have a very interesting summer. I hope I have this camper insulated until next winter. My timetable have changed a little bit, but well, follow up for more. I try to do some videos. It's a little bit hard times because I thought that all insulation was okay, but well, of course, you do something new, you have troubles. It's always like that. I just thought that I would have some other kind of troubles that's not up to what I bought from. I mean, not up to what I bought, more up to how do I figure out how to build it. But yeah, troubles are good for the brain. Bye bye.